So my name is Kash Akhtar. I'm a consultant orthopaedic knee surgeon. My expertise is in sports-related knee injuries, and in particular I treat meniscus and ligament tears and cartilage injuries. So skiing is great. It's a real workout. It's brilliant for your body and for your mind. I think it's important that people are prepared for skiing. They're optimized, they have the right equipment, the proper technique, and they know what to do if they get injured. That's why coming to somewhere like One Stop Healthcare is really important. We have an urgent treatment centre, and we have consultants who specialise in all different areas. And then you can get an early intervention. You can have an early diagnosis through an X-ray, an ultrasound or an MRI. You can have an injection or an aspiration where the fluid is taken off. But knowing exactly what is wrong is the key to getting early treatment. And then we have physiotherapy here if you need rehabilitation, or if you needed braces or orthotics or other interventions, they are also available.